Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Extended Stay America Suites, Columbus, Worthington. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get good pricing. This Extended Stay America, Columbus, Worthington is located in Columbus and especially designed for longer stays, with all rooms featuring a fully equipped kitchen. The hotel offers free Wi-Fi and a 24-hour front desk. Every kitchen at Extended Stay America, Columbus is equipped with a stovetop, microwave and a fridge. The hotel also provides guests with laundry and ironing facilities, upgraded bedding with extra pillows. In the morning, guests can enjoy a free grab-and-go breakfast consisting of coffee, hot cereal, breakfast bars and pastries. Weekly housekeeping services provided for free and daily provided for a fee. Towels and linen exchanged at the front desk. The property offers free on-site parking. Attractions within close proximity to the hotel include the Marcus, the High Banks Park and the Sharon Woods Park. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.